wonder what kind of mayhem ensues right here. We're making gonna do it one-handed. It's best to have your blade in a handle. This is nothing but a wood planer clamped, so you've got a 90-degree angle here. Got some slip tape on it and on this, so it glides. I also got slip tape right here. Now I sharpen this piece right here with a whip rock, sharp as a razor. So gotta have your depth right. And just take it easy when you do it. And you keep it flat up against the back so it gives you a 90. You can move it out this way and cut the angle. We do a 90 on it just to clean the edge up on the old blade. Nope, no, just very little pressure. You just want to glide. And just like that. And here's the beauty. Those tits that pop up on the edge don't happen with this. Yep, whole film bender. Say you guys, whole film bender.